How to lose belly fat the healthy way. Hello and welcome back. This question is on so many minds. How can I lose belly fat and fast? Well, there's no magic formula of food and exercise to lose belly fat with the snap of your fingers, but there are nutritional choices, exercises and lifestyle changes that can help. In today's video, let's discuss about belly fat and the dangers of having visceral fat, and I'll be showing you some of the lazy exercises for the lazy people, for both men and women, to reduce belly fat, where you lie down on your bed and do these exercises to achieve a flat belly. While nothing comes easy, definitely not a flat belly, you need to follow these exercises and also follow a proper diet and lifestyle changes. Plus, I'm also going to discuss about the natural treatment forms along with these exercises to achieve a faster and effective result. I'll also talk about the much needed lifestyle changes and few effective tips to lose weight faster. Watch the complete video. What is belly fat and is it dangerous? Visceral fat, commonly known as belly fat, is the layer of fat below the muscles of your abdomen. Due to its crucial location surrounding many of your vital organs, belly fat supplies a constant source of energy while also exposing the to harmful toxins and hormones. When you have too many fat cells or your fat cells get too large, they can overproduce toxins that can increase your risk for chronic inflammation, diabetes, heart disease and cancer. For these reasons, belly fat can be more dangerous than subcutaneous fat, which is the outer layer of fat you can pinch with your fingers. That said, the reason you are having trouble buttoning your pants may not even be due to the visceral fat. What we are calling belly fat these days could actually be bloating or water retention. In general, women have greater absolute body fat percentages than men. Typically, women carry more fat around the legs, hips and buttocks as well as the chest and upper arms. Women have more subcutaneous fat, which is the fat that you can pinch under your skin, while men have more visceral fat, which is stored in and around the abdominal organs. People who have greater fat stores around their butt and thigh, that is the gluteal femoral regions, are at lower risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart diseases than those with greater fat stores around their middle. There is no one exact diet that targets belly fat more than others. To reduce belly fat, you need to consider the timing, size and nutritional quality of your meals. This can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce visceral fat and avoid uncomfortable bloating. Start with these tips to begin your journey to losing belly fat the healthy way. One is to avoid belly bloaters. Certain carbohydrates tend to be poorly absorbed in your intestines and rapidly ferment as they sit there, leading to gas and bloating. Common culprits include refined carbohydrates and simple sugars, like those found in the processed foods with added sugars. Excess sodium can also cause bloating due to increased water retention. While there are plenty of healthy packaged foods out there, but there are also so many that are not so great. Opt for freshly prepared foods most of the time to help reduce your intake of processed packaged foods that can cause belly bloat. For example, swap a highly added sugar bowl of cereal for a green smoothie made with fresh fruits and vegetables to get your day going in the morning. 2. Embrace the power of protein. Protein serves a dual role in helping you reduce belly fat by increasing and maintaining muscle mass and metabolism while also helping to stave off hunger. Eating protein could also lead to increased satisfaction after a meal, which may help you eat fewer calories later in the day. 3. Focus on fiber. Your blood sugar is less likely to spike and crash when you eat more fiber too. Because of this, you will stave off that hungry feeling, which means you won't be reaching for anything and everything in sight, which also reduces the number of total calories eaten for the day. When trying to lose belly fat, aim to get at least 25 grams of fiber in your diet each day. Foods that are rich in fiber include pulses like lentils and beans, apples and pears with the skin, nuts and seeds, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, etc. Exercises to reduce belly fat. In an ideal world, we would be able to target the exact part of our body we want to burn calories from. But that's not how it works. Thankfully, there are few exercises that are especially effective in burning fat from the belly area and from the rest of your body. I'd like to show you a few effective exercises in this video to reduce belly fat, and I think this is the most easiest form of exercise, especially for the lazy people who find it very difficult to get to the floor or hit the gym and sweat to stay fit, or even for the people who have absolutely no time for anything in their lives to spare, like me, to just lie down on the bed and do these simple exercises to achieve a flat belly. It has to be done consistently for a few months, and the best is to start your day in the morning with these exercises, which last only 5 to 10 minutes.
फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज के लिए इस तरह से आपको बेड पे लेट जाना है, अपर बॉडी को उठा लीजिए, हथेलियों को आपको अंदर की तरफ रखना है और साइड की तरफ आपको बेंड करना है। जब आप साइड की तरफ बेंड करेंगे तो कोशिश करनी है अपने घुटनों को छूने की। इस तरह से आपको साइड टू साइड बेंड करना है और अपने घुटनों को छूने की कोशिश करनी है। आपका मैट्रेस हार्ड है, सॉफ्ट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि ये सारी लेजी बेड एक्सरसाइजेज है, तो आपके बैक पे कोई भी प्रेशर नहीं आएगा। बस आपको आपके कोर को टाइट करके रखना है, पकड़ के रखना है, ताकि प्रेशर जो है वो आपकी बेली पर ही आए। आपको फील हो जाएगा जब आप अपने कोर को एंगेज करके रखेंगे तो आपको फील होगा कि पूरा प्रेशर जो है आपकी बेली पर, साइड बेली पर ही आ रहा है। और कोशिश करनी है बहुत ज़्यादा साइड की तरफ, जितना आपसे हो सके उतना बेंड होने की। इस एक्सरसाइज के आपको लगाने हैं 50 रेपिटेशंस, 25 रेपिटेशंस ईच साइड, और सारी ही एक्सरसाइजेस के आपको करने हैं 3 राउंड्स। बढ़ते हैं हमारी अगली एक्सरसाइज की तरफ, जिसके लिए आपको इस तरह से घुटनों को फोल्ड कर लेना है। दोनों घुटनों के बीच में आपको 1 फुट तक का गैप रखना है, और जब आप एक साइड बेंड करेंगे इस तरह से, तो आपका घुटना जो है आपके दूसरे पैर को टच होना चाहिए। इतना हद तक आपको नीचे जाना है, आपको कोशिश करनी है टच करने की, तभी आपके साइड बेली फैट पे प्रेशर आएगा और साइड बेली फैट रिड्यूस होगा। तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। हाथों को आप सीधा रखिए, साइड में रखिए या फिर आपके स्टमक पे रखिए, इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, बट आपको जो मैंने बताया है उस तरह से करना है। देखिए, आपके जो घुटना है वो आपके पैरों को छूना चाहिए, छूने की कोशिश करनी है। जितना आपसे स्ट्रेच हो सके आपके साइड बेली, आपका जितना बेंड हो सके साइड की तरफ बॉडी, उतनी हद तक आपको बेंड करनी है, तभी आपको आपके साइड बेली पे प्रेशर आएगा। आराम से हिलते डुलते उस तरह से मत कीजिएगा, नहीं तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होगा। बस जिस तरह से बता रही हूँ उस तरह से बिल्कुल ध्यान से इस एक्सरसाइज को कीजिएगा। इस एक्सरसाइज के भी आपको 50 रेपिटेशंस लगाने हैं, ईच साइड 25 रेपिटेशंस, और इस एक्सरसाइज के भी आपको लगाने हैं 3 सेट। अगली एक्सरसाइज को करने के लिए इस तरह से आपको अपनी अपर बॉडी को उठा लेना है, एल्बोज को बेंड कीजिए, आर्म्स पे अपनी अपर बॉडी को ले लीजिए, एकदम टाइट रखना है अपर बॉडी को, और आपकी टांगों के बीच में आपको 1/2 फीट तक का गैप रखना है। पैरों को उठा लीजिए, 1/2 फीट का गैप होना चाहिए, पैरों के बीच में भी और घुटनों के बीच में भी, मतलब दोनों टांगों के बीच में 1/2 फीट का गैप आपका होना चाहिए। कोर को एकदम टाइट करके रखना है, एंड इन आउट। अगर आप अपने दोनों पैरों के बीच में गैप बनाकर नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो घर में अगर आपके कोई बॉल हो बच्चे के खेलने की, तो उसे दोनों टांगों के बीच में रख लें, या फिर कोई पिलो रख लें, ताकि पिलो को फंसा लें, बॉल को फंसा लें, ताकि आप ये गैप मेंटेन कर सके दोनों टांगों के बीच में, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, तभी आपकी लोअर एब्स पे इसका प्रेशर आएगा। कोई भी हार्ड नहीं है, बैक पे तो प्रेशर आने वाला नहीं है, नॉर्मल एक्सरसाइजेज है, बट बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है। तो इस तरह से आपको टांगों को अंदर और बाहर लेके जाना है। अगर आप ज्वाइंट करके इस एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे तो उतना ज़्यादा हद तक प्रेशर आपके लोअर एब्स पे नहीं आएगा। तो जिस तरह से मैं बता रही हूँ उसी तरह से आपको करना है, और अपर बॉडी को एकदम टाइट करके रखना है, कोर को टाइट और एंगेज करके रखना है। इस एक्सरसाइज के भी आपको 50 रेपिटेशन लगाने हैं और 3 सेट। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज के लिए इस तरह से अपनी टांगों को ऊपर उठा लीजिए, घुटनों को बेंड कीजिए और हाथों को फैला दीजिए, पेट पे रखिए, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे वैसे कीजिए। इस तरह से आपको दोनों टांगों को साइड की तरफ लेकर आना है, फुल स्ट्रेच करना है। तो आपका साइड बेली जो है वो फुल स्ट्रेच होना चाहिए। साइड बेली में जो फैट होता है वहाँ पे आपको प्रेशर आना चाहिए। तो इस तरह से टांगों को हवा में ही रखना है और इस तरह से आपको साइड टू साइड बेंड करना है। कोशिश करनी है बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे आने की, जस्ट टैप करना है और लेके जाना है। रेस्ट नहीं करनी है आपको कि आ गए, रेस्ट किया, फिर आप जा रहे हो, नहीं। जस्ट एक टैप करना है आपके मैट पे, आपके मैट्रेस पे, और वापस आपको जाना है दूसरी तरफ। कंटिन्यू इसी तरह से आपको करना है। इसमें भी आपको अपने कोर को टाइट करके रखना है, एंगेज करके रखना है, और अपर बॉडी को बिल्कुल आपको रिलैक्स रखना है। अपर बॉडी को रिलैक्स करना है, कोई मूवमेंट अपर बॉडी में आपको नहीं करनी है। आपका जिस बेली है वो ट्विस्ट होगा इस एक्सरसाइज से। इस एक्सरसाइज के भी आपको 50 रेपिटेशंस ही लगाने हैं। हाँ जी, हर एक एक्सरसाइज के आपको 50 रेपिटेशंस लगाने हैं और 3 सेट लगाने हैं।
I hope you will follow these exercises to achieve the flat belly. Now let's take the natural treatments to lose belly fat. Natural treatment to lose belly fat effectively is cupping therapy or hijama. There are many options available for people who are wanting to lose weight. The common advice is to change your diet, eat less, move more, all of which is a great advice. Cupping for weight loss before and after you change your habits can also have a beneficial effect, giving you a better chance at weight loss success rather than relying on willpower alone. Why do we gain weight? The short answer is simply overeating and under-exercising, but it is more complex than that alone. As you get older, your metabolism slows down. It's imperceptible at first, but slowly and surely your body will become less efficient at using energy and more likely to store fat. With a faster metabolism, everything gets put into your body, gets processed at high speed, and there is no opportunity for any lingering fat deposits to build up. Of course, the more you eat, the more chance there is that your body won't be able to keep up, and as you age, the problem will only get worse. Is cupping for weight loss safe? Yes, cupping is an entirely natural treatment that uses the body's own responses to accelerate weight loss and improve the immune system and metabolism that were treated. But this will soon pass. This is caused by the vacuum pulling on the tissue and may be considered similar to the discomfort you may experience from a bruise. No drugs are used during the process, and cupping is safe for most people. However, you may need to speak to a specialist if you are pregnant or have a heart condition. What is the difference with cupping for weight loss before and after treatment? Before your cupping for weight loss treatment, your body may be run down and slowly stopping working in the way that it should. After cupping, the tissue of your body is reactivated and re-energized, repairing and rebuilding itself to the fantastic machine that it was always meant to be. Your body will actively work to heal itself, bringing you closer to your weight loss goal. Always remember that cupping is not the only procedure required for weight loss. You will need to watch what you eat and take regular exercises too. Is cupping for weight loss popular? Cupping has been highlighted as a treatment used by celebrities and professional athletes in recent years, providing faster healing, a reduction in pain, and as a general treatment to foster wellness. It has been around for a very long time but has seen a surge in popularity due to the interest of celebrities. It remains popular as it has been shown to work well and is effective in both weight loss and in treating the symptoms of a range of other problems. It is a safe procedure that can give you amazing results. Lifestyle changes to reduce belly fat. First one is to get plenty of sleep. Too little sleep or too much of it can throw your stress and regulatory hormones out of whack, which may lead to weight gain. A single night of sleep deprivation can increase levels of ghrelin, which is a hormone that promotes hunger, make you more likely to overeat the next day. A reduced sleep may also lead to fatigue during the day and less physical activity, which may be another reason why people who don't get enough sleep on a regular basis tend to gain weight. 2 is to drink water constantly. If you are dehydrated, it can be hard to tell if you're hungry or just thirsty. If you're craving a midday snack, have a glass of water and wait for a few minutes before reassessing your hunger level. Water also helps food move through your digestive system, lessening feelings of bloating. It's a good idea to keep a water bottle with you throughout the day and use it. Add cucumber slices and mint sprigs or fresh fruit to your water to infuse flavor. 3. Never skip a meal. Have you ever decided to skip a meal to cut back on your daily calorie count? Despite saving a few calories in the moment, this strategy almost always backfires. When you skip meals, you'll begin to experience excessive hunger that can lead to craving less nutritious foods and lots of them. You may also eat faster than you normally do after skipping a meal, which may cause you to miss the warning signs that you are full and make you more likely to overeat. Eating too fast can also add air to your stomach, resulting in bloating. So, slow down and chew your food well. Conclusion: unfortunately, there is no fast fix for belly fat. However, there are certain things you can do to help speed up the process. Mindful lifestyle changes and a commitment to changing your eating and exercising habits over time are your best bet. With a little patience and perseverance, you will be well on your way to a healthier you. So, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and informative. Do like, share and subscribe, and stay healthy and stay happy until my next video. Bye bye.